job, babe. Thank you.
You're welcome. I think it needs a little bit more salt. My egg does.
Mine's salted enough. Is it good?
Yeah, it's good. I love that.
Yes, there is.
Bacon's cooked just right.
Thanks.
Morning, folks. Welcome back to T.O. Homestead with Jess. This is Barrett speaking today. Well, last night we had a real bad storm. Power went off around midnight. So we're hungry. When we got up this morning, we were shocked. Well, right now we're hungry and everything, so we're gonna do an outside fire. So right now I got the base, the fire pit, I guess that's what you call it, and my grate, faithful grate here. Okay, right now I'm in the process of splitting some kindling to get this fire going. Caveman days. Anyways, just sitting there last night, calling everybody up, say, hey, got a storm coming along, everybody be prepared. I guess the certain instinct of Mother Nature, because she's down to earth more than I am, I guess. You probably can't hear me over that noise. But anyways, we got some chores to do around here, and I guess this is one of them. One to survive on. Gotta do what you gotta do. The wood had kindling already raked up and everything, but it's raining so much around here that we hadn't really got anything. We're late on everything. Got a late start. Well, it's going to take me a couple minutes for this, so I'll be right back with you. Okay, folks, I got some wood split up here. That's a job. Anyways, I'm going to have a little bit of copperin fluid here. This wood feels kind of damp. Might start, might not start. Don't know yet. We'll see. Bear with me. I'm not used to this camera stuff and everything like Jess is. She's a natural. So comes out the way it is. Ouch. Hopefully it'll take off, folks. So the weather's going to be crazy today. It's supposed to be up in the high 90s. So, with this heat cooking out, because no power, it's going to be hot. Guess I'm going to have to start watching more YouTube and starting fires. Okay folks, once I get this fire really going, get cooking real good, and get the grate that we always use to have cookouts and stuff on and everything, and get my skillet out here and the bacon and eggs, and I'll be right back with you. So, see you then. Alright folks, put my grate up here. Get my skillet. Alright, babe, or people, babe, huh? Alright, here we go. I'll put some bacon in this cast iron skillet. Get me some bacon grease going so I can get my eggs going. We can cut through bacon. We did this a couple years back when our power went out for like 14 days, so breakfast, lunch, and supper we was out here just cooking away, having a good time. But the setup was different back there. We used that grate and we used bricks to start a fire underneath the grate. Alright folks, and with this cooking on a fire like this now in this cast iron, the whole cast iron skillet gets hot now. So make sure you got protection. Make sure you got your trusty glove here and a towel to wipe your hands with. Well, bacon sounds good. It's sizzling. Well, I'm debating whether to do scrambled eggs or eggs over easy. I think I'll do scrambled eggs because it's a lot easier to do, it's a lot faster. Well, I guess it's about the same. I'm not sure. What do you think? What do you think, folks? Eggs over easy or scrambled? Alright, let that cook for a while. Fire's going pretty good. I guess I did something right this time. Doesn't that look delicious? Yummy, yummy. If you hadn't had breakfast yet and everything, go out and cook yourself something over an open fire. Alright, I'm going to pull this back off the heat a little bit so I can get my eggs in and get them started. It's going to be the final results, people, folks, friends, family. Alright folks, here's the final results. from 1 to 10, grade me. Folks, this is it. Right here's the final result. Thank you for visiting Homestead with Jess, with Barrett. And just thumbs up, subscribe, comment, and enjoy the rest of the day. Thank you.